Hello, I am the career introvert, and today I'm going to talk to you about a question that I get asked a lot, and it is, can an introvert be successful? And this is a really interesting question. There's a short answer. Yes, anyone can be successful, but it really depends on what you mean by successful. What does success mean to you? And I think a lot of people think that when they say, can an introvert be successful, they mean in business and work in their careers. And of course, anyone can be successful at their work and careers and what they do. It just depends on how you look at it and what you need. So, really, it boils down to, can an introvert be successful? Yes. What does that success look like? Whatever it might be status, money, whatever it has to be. The baseline is to level on success is how they balance their introversion and being successful. Are they staying true to themselves? Are they making sure that they had enough time, alone time, to recharge? And so that is more important than the success, whatever that might be. It's making sure that the success is on your terms as an introvert. So you need to make sure that the way you are working is conducive to your introversion. So you have time to think, time to come back to things, time in between meetings, for example. Something as simple as making sure you don't schedule back to back meetings is one way of being successful in your life because back to back meetings are draining. So, can an introvert be successful? And the other point with that is most people think an introvert can't be successful because they might not like networking. And a lot of people do subscribe to the fact that networking and how you network and being able to network is one way that helps you be successful. And while this is true, again, it's as long as you are networking in a way that is true to your introversion, then everything is fine. And there are ways to network while being true to your introversion. Along with that, the other problem people think of when introverts and being successful is you would have to be high profile to be successful. You'd have to be very visible to be successful. And the misconception there is that introverts might not want to be visible. And there are many introverts out there who are visible in the public eye, but they handle their career or their business in a way that means they have time alone, and you only know so much about some people. There are definitely some huge rock stars or some huge actors where you might know they're married and that might be it, or you might know that they like basketball, but you don't know every little detail about them. And we forget that not everyone has to know everything about you. You do get to decide to a degree what people know, even in this day of social media. So, back to the first question, can an introvert be successful? Yes. And there are ways to do it while being true to your introversion. You just have to work out what that way is. So, thank you for listening. If you want to hear more, I will be here every Thursday. Click the subscribe button over one of those sides because it's, depends which way we're doing it. But click the subscribe button and you'll see a video from me every Thursday based around introversion, jobs, careers, and life in general.